Xiaomi introduced the CyberOne, their first humanoid robot, in 2022, and it is said to be equipped with high power density actuators. It joins the company's Cyber series robots, which include the CyberDog and CyberDog 2. The most recent news is that Xiaomi Robotics is actively advocating a phased installation of the robot in its own production system. According to the business, the robot's intelligence might be used in certain instances during the production process. Xiaomi apparently intends to create an open-source platform through technology developments and discoveries. The division is still developing the technology. A more powerful and sophisticated version of the robot will be able to contribute to several aspects of Xiaomi's production process. The business also apparently intends to spread the use to other industries, including electronics, manufacturing, artificial intelligence, and autos. According to reports, this will be Beijing's first initiative for developing, producing, and demonstrating humanoid products. The CyberOne has sophisticated arms and legs, allows bipedal motion posture balancing, and can attain a peak torque of 300 Nm. The business also displayed the robot's capacity to recognize human emotion and have improved visual skills. Along with a variety of other modern technologies, it may generate a three-dimensional virtual reconstruction of the real environment. The robot is 177 centimeters tall and weighs 52 kilograms, with an arm reach of 168 centimeters. It supports up to 21 degrees of motion and has a real-time reaction time of 0.5 milliseconds per degree of freedom, allowing it to completely imitate human motions. The self-developed humanoid bipedal control algorithm has designed CyberOne's walking posture to be both natural and steady. With AI at its core and a full-size humanoid frame as its vessel, this is an exploration of the possibilities of Xiaomi's future technological ecosystem as well as a new breakthrough for the company, said Xiaomi Group's founder, chairman, and CEO Lei Jun.